Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a GMC Acadia in neutral. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Many Acadias feature an electronic joystick-style shifter. To engage neutral, press and hold the interlock button located on the side of the shifter. Then, gently push the shifter forward until it reaches the first bump. Release the shifter, and the N indicator light should illuminate, confirming your vehicle is in neutral. When preparing for a car wash or needing to exit the vehicle while in neutral, there's a specific sequence. Keep the engine running and your foot on the brake. It is important to open the driver's door before attempting to shift. With the door open and brake still pressed, push the electronic shifter forward to the first bump. The N light will turn red, indicating neutral, and the vehicle will remain in this gear. If your Acadia has a dead battery or you don't have the key fob, you might need to use the manual override. Look for a small access panel near the gear shifter, often covered by a leather boot. Carefully pry this panel open with a small screwdriver or similar tool. Inside, you will find a button or lever. Depress and hold this down while simultaneously moving the gear lever into neutral. Remember, safety is paramount when using neutral. Always engage the parking brake, especially on any incline, to prevent unintended rolling. Never turn off your engine while the vehicle is in neutral, as this can affect steering and braking. Before exiting, always ensure the vehicle is completely secure. For any specific model variations or additional details, always refer to your Acadia's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.